Hey guys, drdecks here. Today we thought we would show you how to clear a jam from a nail gun. This happens with framing guns. I have a couple finished guns here, so I would just like to show you how to clear, there's a lot of you out there that may not know how to do this, how to clear a gun. So first of all, we have to get a gun to jam, and then we'll try to clear it, and I'll show you how we do that. All right, so what I have here is a 8-pound sledgehammer, and I'm just going to shoot it with a nail gun until it jams. All right, so I don't think it'll take very long. We didn't pre-test this. Always wear your safety glasses and any other safety gear that you feel you need when doing something like this. Even when we're just shooting a nail gun, this happens. I'm just trying to show you by making it jam, but you can jam a gun just by shooting it into wood. A lot of times what happens is either we hit a metal fastener or something, another nail or a joist hanger, we put it in the wrong spot, and that will create the gun to jam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand over here, I'm gonna shoot it, and if you come in here, you'll see that the nail has jammed in the gun. So obviously I cannot shoot this gun now. I lied. Now I made it worse because now I got 2 nails jammed and the plunger of the nail gun is stuck out. So if I don't think I can shoot it again. No, I can't even move it. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect your source. So this is a battery operated gun. I'm taking the battery out of it. Usually most nail guns nowadays have a point on the head of the gun that you can lift up, and you hear that click? That will expose the nail that is completely hammered. The head's bent over. That was a definite jam. You may even want to clear the nails just to make sure you didn't get any that were in the way. Now when I pulled this back, it actually allowed the plunger to go back. On this particular gun, there is a switch as well right here that will allow you to retract the plunger if it didn't retract on its own. So now all I have to do is pull that back together, push my nails back in, and then I should be able to shoot it again after I put the battery power back on it. Now, obviously, if you're running a pneumatic gun and this happens, like pneumatic is like air compressor with a hose and a gun, and you hook it up to that. If you're using one of those, just disconnect your air before you clear the jam. You don't want to like shoot something in your face. Okay, we can go again. Okay, that time it ricocheted off of here, hit me in the stomach, and then it bounced again over there. So this can be dangerous, guys. So definitely make sure you're always wearing eye protection when you're running these type of tools. Let's try this gun. This is a little pass load, little cordless finish gun. This is a 16 gauge, and it has a similar head style, but I want to see if this one will do the same thing. Okay, this one will not fire again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the battery. I'm going to release the head. Actually, you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to release the nails. Okay, the nails are out. Now I'm going to release the head, and it looks like the nail is still stuck in here. So I'm going to go grab some pliers to pull this one out because it's stuck in there pretty good. This particular head doesn't release as good as the DeWalt gun did. It's loosened, but there might be some tension on here keeping it from allowing it to release. So sometimes you can still see the tip of the nail right here. So I'm going to have to try to pull that out with some pliers or something. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got some needle nose pliers here. I'm going to grab the tip of this nail. Oh, there we go. Okay, now this opened up enough to where you can totally see the nail and how bent up it is. It's stuck in there. This gun's brand new, so we haven't had to clear any the head on it yet. But now I can just pull away, and it's still a little stuck. It might be stuck with the plunger, so you just grab it and use a little leverage. There you go. And now we've pulled that nail out, and you can see it's pretty bent up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That is how we clear a gun when we get a jam. If I helped you out a little bit and you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to ask a question and leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.